Hi, in this video, I'm going to cover a short introduction about semaphores. Sometimes you would have, sometimes when you are doing projects, you may have issues with conflicting process. Because queue is a multi-process or multi-threaded system, there will be cases whereby two or more threads of process, contradicts or conflict with each other. When they are accessing the same resource. To resolve this problem, we have for queue, we have a special object you can use, alright, and the name of the object is called semaphores. To know more about semaphores, go to Help, Content, go under Commands, Semaphores, click on it, click on the overview. Alright, as you can see here, this will give you a full explanation and understanding with illustration on how a semaphore works. So to protect against conflict, alright, we can see from this illustration. The first illustration here is an illustration of a conflicting set of commands. So we have two processes happening, one saving preset and the other to recall preset. And when the process is saving the preset, in the process of saving that preset into a preset.dat file, another process called recall presets is activated and reads from the preset.dat file. So during which both processes are executed, when the save preset is writing to the file, another process is reading. So this causes the file data being read back to be corrupted. Because another process is in the process of writing, it may be writing partial or halfway, and when another process calls, or tries to read from the file, conflict occurs. Alright, there's no automatic way of resolving this conflict. Alright, so what queue does is that we create a object called semaphores. Alright, the semaphore object is actually a data type which you can declare. The data type is actually underscore semaphore, and you declare a variable by the name of sem, stand for semaphore, and you run the command log, alright, at the beginning. And before you save the preset, you run the command log, and after writing the data to the preset.dat, you unlock it. What happens is that when the process called recall preset is executed, it will also try to lock the semaphore using the semaphore.log command. So what happens is that when this command is executed, as the previous process has already locked the semaphore before the recall preset comes in, when the semaphore is being locked by another process, the semaphore lock will actually do a delay until so long as the semaphore is unlocked by the locking process. Then the delay will actually be the wait will actually be terminated. After which you can do a read from the preset file and unlock the process. Alright, this way automatically before you read or write to the preset.dat file, you do a lock. Inherently, this will actually prevent conflicts of accessing the preset.dat file. Because use semaphore.log, only one process may access the file, whether be it read or write, at any one time. There cannot be two or more processes accessing the same file, same data, at the same time because of the semaphore lock and unlock function. Alright, so as you can see here, there are other examples of, for example, multi-level lock, where you have a process running a function, and both the process and the function contains a lock. And when before exiting the lock, you have to unlock it. Alright, and before exiting the process, you have to do another unlock. So this is multi-level locking. When you use multi-level locking, you have to make sure that all the different levels must unlock. So you must unlock the semaphores at the level before you exit the level. Alright, once you have missed one unlock, this means that when another process tries to use a semaphore lock, you will not be able to you will not be able to exit from the semaphore lock process because you will be constantly locked because the semaphore has never been unlocked. Alright, so you have to prevent that. Alright, so we have got lock and unlock function. Very simple. Within the semaphore process, there's only two functions, lock and unlock. It's a pretty easy to use application. Alright. With this, I've completed the introduction to semaphores. You may look at the samples here, okay, and try to write your own semaphore program because, for semaphores, the most important thing is to understand the functionality. Alright, and it's only just two simple commands, lock and unlock. So as long as before accessing the variable or accessing any shared resources, lock it, and after you are done accessing it, unlock. Okay, that's the functionality of a semaphore. Alright, with this, I would like to end this short video. Thank you. Bye bye.